What is up everyone, Xander here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can install Xposed framework. Please note that this is for Android 5.0 up to 6.0, so lollipop and marshmallow. If your phone is below 5.0, then you cannot use this method. Also, please note that Samsung stock ROMs will not work. So if you're on a Samsung stock ROM, then avoid this tutorial. If you don't know what version your phone is on, what you can do is go to your settings, about phone, and Android version will be right here. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this page, which I'll be putting in the description below, and you're going to download the Xposed installer 3.0 Alpha 4. You can find it when you scroll down. It'll be right here. The next thing you're going to want to do after installing the app is go to this link right here, and you will see a list of SDK versions. If you are on 5.0, choose SDK 21. If you're on 5.1, choose SDK 22, and if you're on 6.0, choose SDK 23. It is also recommended that you download the uninstaller in case something goes wrong. Okay, you can also find the uninstaller right here in this link. Alright, now once you do that, you're going to go into your recovery, and this is where you're going to flash Xposed. So, I will see you guys in a second. Alright, as you can see, I'm in my recovery. This will work with TWRP, Clockwork Mod, and Philz Recovery. So, the type of recovery you have doesn't matter, as long as it's not your stock recovery or your CYANOGENMOD recovery. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Install, and make sure you know where your Xposed file is located. Mine is right here. You're going to choose it and flash it. If you chose the right SDK version, it should work. If you did not choose the right SDK version, then it will fail. So once you do that, you can wipe the cache if you want to. I'm going to do that. And reboot the system. And just let it boot up. If you get stuck in a boot loop, then if you have the uninstaller, which I'm hoping you do, you can just boot into your recovery and flash the uninstaller, which will uninstall the Xposed that you installed, and you'll be back to normal. So just wait for it to boot up. It can take a while. Alright, if you come across something like this, that is perfectly normal, so just let this optimize and you'll be good to go. If you did not come across something like this and your phone booted straight up to your lock screen, then it most likely worked anyway. But remember, if you were stuck in the boot logo for at least 5 to 10 minutes, you're most likely in a boot loop, and that's when you can flash the uninstaller. So just let this optimize if you come across something like this. Alright, if you made it to this point, then you most likely have Xposed installed. So congratulations. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is go to the installer that you installed. This is the first thing you installed. And you're going to want to go to download. If you know what sort of module you want to install, then go right ahead and find it. Or you can go to your browser and find the module on your browser. Once you have one or multiple installed, you're going to want to go to modules and enable the ones you want to use. And it tells you that the changes will become active on reboot. So, what you're going to want to do after enabling the modules you want to enable is just reboot your phone. Alright, once your phone is rebooted, you're good to go. Now, if you want to test your modules, say for example, I installed SnapPrefs. Snaphaps is right here. It's already set up for me, so I won't need to go and open it. So I'll just go to Snapchat. And you'll know that I'll know that it worked correctly if I see this triangle right here. So that pretty much tells me that my module worked, and I'm good to go. So I hope you guys found this useful, and I will see you guys in the next video.